In this video, I will show you how to use PHStat descriptive statistics function to compute stem and leaf diagram or stem and leaf display. With PHStat launched in Excel, go to Add-ins menu, go to PHStat, descriptive statistics, and choose stem and leaf display. In the variable cell range, you put all the data. These are exam scores from various sections. It says, does the first cell contain labels? It does not. The first cell is 57. So I'm going to check that off, meaning I'm going to take that check mark off. STEM units are 10. And title is exam data. And I want the summary stats shown. And here's the summary stats. Thank you.